If your Roblox avatar is not loading and your character looks invisible, don't worry. This is a real Roblox bug in 2026, and in most cases, it has nothing to do with your internet. Many players on Reddit and the Roblox developer forum confirmed this is a client-side glitch, and I'll show you the fixes that actually worked for real users. Let's start with the fastest and easiest fix first. Sometimes your character turns invisible after teleporting far inside a map, especially in games like Bed Wars or Block Fruits. When this happens, simply reset your character, press escape, then press R and hit enter. This forces Roblox to reload your character at the correct position, and for many players, the avatar comes back instantly. If your avatar stays invisible even when you join different games, then this next step is very important. Press Windows key and R together. Now type %local app data and press enter. Open the Roblox folder, then open versions. Delete everything inside the versions folder. Don't worry, this does not delete your account or progress. When you reopen Roblox, it will download fresh game files, and Reddit users confirm this fixed the invisible avatar bug for most people. Now let's talk about outfits. In 2026, some layered clothing items are causing Roblox to hide the character completely. If your avatar is invisible, switch to a simple classic outfit. Avoid long coats, puffer jackets, or heavy layered clothes. If your character appears after changing outfit, then that clothing item was the issue. For mobile players, especially on iPhone, there's a quick trick. When your avatar disappears, zoom the camera fully into first-person view, then zoom back out. This refreshes the camera and often makes the character visible again. One important thing before we finish. This is a confirmed Roblox engine bug, not your fault. Roblox developers are already aware of it. So once these fixes work, the issue usually stays gone. If this video helped you, leave a like so more players can fix this quickly. And if your avatar is still invisible, comment which game you're playing. I'll help you out. Bye bye.